Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily book your flight with Skyscanner and also how you can use Skyscanner. Booking your flight can be a scary experience if you don't know the website and how to use it, and if you will enjoy this video, there is going to be a link down below in the description, and if you're gonna book the flight with the link down below in the description, you can support me and also this YouTube channel that I like creating tutorials. So let's start here and let me show you how you can do it. So you're gonna click on the link, you'll get right here to Skyscanner. Here, you're gonna have three options. Have a return, one-way, or multi-city. So when we have the return, we can go from, let's say, Vienna to somewhere. You can have always option to have add a nearby airport. So let's say there's a Vienna. So let's say we would have option to have nearby airports at Bratislava or even Budapest. We can have it. We can have direct flights only, and that would mean that you wouldn't go, let's say, from Vienna to Spain. We can go one-way ticket, or we can go from Vienna, then we would stop in the UK, and then we would get to Spain. Yes, it would take much longer time, but probably it will be cheaper. So we can have direct flights if you, let's say, you want to be in one plane and go from one point to the B. I like doing that because I don't like to move a lot in other airports, and you can also add nearby airports if you want to, but it's not necessary. So now we're going to choose the from where you're departing. Then we're going to have to where we want to go. So let's say I'm going to I can add Spain, and in the moment when, let's say, I'm going to add a country, Spain, you can have option to add a towns like Barcelona, Malaga, Madrid, Tenerife. And then you're gonna have I added Spain as a country, and then I have a list of all where I can go, or I can simply write Barcelona here. So I will click Barcelona. Then you have to add departure. So I'm going to, let's say, add for October 1st and return. If you couldn't choose the one-way ticket, what will happen is that you will have only departure. And I can simply add return. Then cabin and travelers. So if it's going to be premium economy or economy, and adults, how many adults you have and how many children. Now, if you're gonna have business class, if you're gonna go for first class, it's going to be highest. Then business class, premium economy, or economy is just normal. So I will click here, done. Then I will click search flights, and look what will happen. Right now we have all the things that we can go to, right? So here I see, okay, searching all the providers, and look at this. On the left side we can have stop, we can have departure times, outbound and return, journey duration. You can always edit these filters, and then we have all the airlines here. So right now you see that we have greener choice. Okay, in Vienna we would go 1425, and then we will go to 1650 in Barcelona. That's one way, and then we can go back from Barcelona to Vienna, and we'll see that it's going to take 2 hours and 25 minutes. And then I can click here, select the 8 deals from 118 euro. Or you can simply go on the top and find the cheapest or fastest. So you can always choose the option that you want. Now I can simply click here and, let's say, choose this one. And what we can find here. So book your ticket, and now you can choose between these. So we can go with kiwi.com, MyTrip, BravoFly, and you can choose the which the economy class for the one adult you want. So let's say I can go with the kiwi.com, and I can select. Okay, and here we are. So right now it's really similar. So this is the first option here, or I can simply go with Opodo or MyTrip. So you choose which one you really want here, and you're gonna have it based on the price. Okay. And then what I can do, I can simply add an email address, primary passenger. You would add a name, surname, nationality, gender, date of birth, and then you're gonna have options. So one personal item if you want to have it, or you can have a personal item cabin bag. So cabin bag would go to maximum 10 kilos and priority boarding. And then you can have one checked bag. Include larger baggages item that you must deposit at your airline check-in counter before going through the security at the airport. So what does it mean? So carry-on bundle. So let's say personal item would be something that you would have as a bag with a notebook. Carry-on bundle would be something like something that you would add also in airplane when you're going to be into the top. And then checked package, you're gonna have options for 100 euro, 20 kilos that you have to add before you're gonna go to through the security. Because what do you do first? First, you do check-in, where you're gonna add a checked bag. Then you are going to through the security at the airport, and then you're gonna go to the plane. So this is something, if you want bigger bag, you can choose it. And also personal item, let's say. And then you can have options like travel insurances, travel basics or travel plus, and then I can click continue. So when you're gonna fill everything up here, then let's say you would fill everything, and then you just simply have to pay it. And this is literally where with all the things here, it always works the same. Wait a second, I need like English language here, but I don't know, I can change it here because it gave me like my own English. But yeah, this is how we can pretty much do it. Here you would add the primary passenger names, surnames, genders, date of birth, nationality. And then you would click no insurance, let's say, and continue. And then press continue. And then you're gonna get the option to change or cancel a trip. So you can go with the saver, or you can go with the plus services as an email support. This is something that I would recommend to have, but it's not necessary. So free trip changes, or only pay the differences. And you can have like refund for the flexi ticket if you want. You can continue with the standard or with the saver. It really depends if you're ordering with the Kiwi or just other booking platform. And then you're gonna have the upgrade your level of Kiwi services. So you can have it or no again. And then seating. So you're always gonna find seating here where you want to actually sit. Or you don't need to choose it, right? So I'm going to have it here, confirm. And you can always choose where you want to sit and then press next. And then continue to payment. And when you're gonna have it, all you have to do is to simply add a PayPal, Revolut, payment card. All of that, it's not that difficult, not that hard. And that's pretty much it how you can do it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. And this is pretty much it how we can use Skyscanner. Again, if you're going to use the link down below in the description, you can support me. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.